On this episode of On the Travel Hunt, we're checking out Springhill Suites by Marriott, Wilmington Mayfaire. The best part of this hotel is the location, very close to the beach and the Mayfaire. And the Mayfaire is full of shops and restaurants that we think you will enjoy.
Springhill Suites Wilmington Mayfaire. We're going to start over here by your kitchen area. You got your microwave, your mini fridge. Over here, your living room area. Nice couch. I think it's a pull-out couch as well. You got your desk, your little porch so you can work, get your little workstation. Get your nice smart TV LG. This is a 2-queen bed suite. Got your reading lights, your phone, your little Apple Home. Walk into the bathroom. Pull it. I think the bonus about this room is your storage closet. A big walk-in storage closet at that. Alright, this concludes another episode of On the Travel Hunt. We'll catch you next time.